Hey guys, hey all the musicians out there, guitarists specifically. I'm going to show you something right now that's not as easy as it looks. It's how to zip up a guitar case, so let's go. This is your standard Telecaster, but you'll have to make sure that you get a case with the right dimensions. Okay, now I'm going to bring the case out. Okay, so this is your standard soft shell case. When you buy one, you might want to have the guitar with you just to see if it fits, but you can probably visualize it. I don't own a ruler, so I don't know these exact dimensions. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and see if the guitar fits in the case, okay? And I just want to say off the bat that some of you, might prefer a hard shell case. I don't. It's heavy and you can't wear it on your back. Some people prefer the hard shell because it protects better against rain and snow and heat. You might want to go to a different video if you're trying to learn how to put the guitar in a hard shell case, okay? But so this is soft shell only. All right, so I've lined up the guitar next to the case. I want to see if it fits. Open it up here, and I am placing a guitar. I'm placing the body part, which is the part that's not where you play the frets. And you want to slide it in there, okay, and see if it closes. So now I got my guitar securely in the case, as you'll see. The neck is nothing's like sticking out of the case. I have bought the wrong size guitar case before because, like I said, I don't have a ruler, so sometimes this part here with the tuning things will stick out, but that's not the case here. When I find the zipper, that's the tricky part. I zip it, make sure it doesn't get caught on the handles here. Zip it all the way up. Yeah, if the zipper gets caught on things, I don't know how to undo that, so you're gonna have to watch another video. There you go, you got a zipped guitar case. I'm now going to put the guitar case upright just to see if the zipper's zipped all the way so the guitar can't fall out of it. Okay, the guitar is standing upright now. Okay, I go to the front and gravity, nothing interfered with the zip. And there you have it, a zipped guitar case. And you can hold it by the handle if you want to feel the grip of the guitar and don't want to risk anyone snatching it off your back. Or you can use these back straps here to wear it like a backpack, and it can be easier on your arms. So that's basically it, guys. I hope that was helpful. Like I said, if you're trying to learn how to snap a hard shell guitar case, you're gonna have to find a different video. But for now, I hope this helped. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. There'll be more instructional videos coming, and please feel free to send requests about videos as long as it doesn't involve a hard shell case. Thanks, guys.